In this video, I'm going to answer someone's question about keto, building muscle and fat loss, and I'm also going to share the one thing I hate about keto that a lot of people don't realize. Jerry had a question about keto, saying it seems really restrictive and counterproductive to building muscle. His main goal is to use it for fat loss. He's been doing keto for 2 months now and not really seeing results. So first of all, yes, keto is extremely restrictive in carbs, especially for people who like carbs. Although carbs is generally ideal for building muscle and fueling your workouts, research has shown that people can build muscle on keto and low carbs. When carbs is not available, the protein consumed is less bioavailable. So people on keto should really focus on their overall intake, eating more, muscle building protein, and fats to fuel their workouts. In terms of fat loss, keto is just one type of diet that can help with fat loss, especially for people who ate a lot of carbs, because it's a drastic change. Now, any diet can work if you follow the general principles of losing fat. And inversely, if you do not follow the principles of losing fat, then any diet can also not work. For example, if you're eating low carbs but still eating too much, you're not going to see a change. Or if you're eating really little for a while and you slow down your metabolism, eating less carbs also is not going to help. You'd have to improve your metabolism first. For more on fat loss, check out my pyramid of fat loss that I posted on November 10th in my Instagram. Keep in mind that any diet or way of eating that you consider restrictive is a recipe for long-term disaster and not sustainable. That's why I'm all about eating, not dieting. For more on that and how to change your body composition, make sure you check out my free training by clicking the link in my bio or go to eatnotdiet.com/bodycomposition training.
Wow, look at that old taxi.
Uh-oh.
The one thing I hate about keto that not a lot of people know about, let's talk about that. So I always say that our bodies adapt to whatever we do to it, whether that is in training or nutrition. Now, if you're on keto, your body's gonna adapt to that lower amount of carbs. It's gonna change your carb tolerance, your body type even. So if you are not looking to stay on keto or low carbs for the rest of your life, you're gonna have to stop at some point. But now your body's adapted to low carbs, so you can't just eat normal carbs anymore, right? The moment people say, oh, now I'm eating carbs and I just blow up. You have to work your way back up. It's the same concept if people have been dieting for too long or they're eating low calories and then all of a sudden when they try to eat more, they blow up like a whale. Again, you have to work your way back up. So that's one thing that I hate about it. If you like carbs or if you're not looking to stay on keto for the rest of your life. Are any of you on keto or experience something similar? If so, leave a comment below, let me know. If you have any general questions about fat loss or keto, feel free to leave your questions in the comments. All right, that's it for my video today. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.
Do you like it?